Haribol, Namaste. Thank you for joining tonight's Sacred Sounds Kirtan. My name is Vrindavan Das, and shortly we'll be joined by my wife, Bhakti Dasi. We'll be doing a Kirtan with you tonight. Kirtan is a type of meditation, mantra meditation, using transcendental sound vibrations called mantras. And Kirtan is usually done as a group, congregational chanting. We do other types of mantra meditation such as Gauranga breathing, which incorporates yoga breath. And we also do meditation using beads, japa beads. So these are done individually, but Kirtan is done as a group, congregationally, using musical instruments, singing the mantras, and usually there is a Kirtan leader that sings the mantras first, while the rest of the group listens and tries to focus on the sound, and then the rest of the group, after the Kirtan leader is done singing the mantras or mantra, the rest of the group repeats or sings the mantra as the Kirtan leader is saying it. So mantras are not ordinary sound vibrations. They're not material sound vibrations. They are spiritual sound vibrations, transcendental. Transcendental means not limited by time and space. So, meaning they're not material sound vibrations. They're spiritual sound vibrations. So, man means mind and tra means to take away or deliver. So the mantra, when you're here, this is Bhakti Dasi, my wife. So the mantra, when a person hears it and repeats it, does it over and over, it transports the practitioner. It takes his mind away from the material energy and places it upon the spiritual energy, where the heart and the mind can experience some rest. So we all need some rest from the onslaught of the problems of the material world, the miseries and all that. So, but also if you take this process seriously and add it to your life and practice it and do it regularly, then you will reap the deeper benefits of mantra meditation, which leads to self-realization, wherein you realize your true identity as a spirit soul. Who is the Supreme Soul? What is your relationship with the Supreme Soul? What is this material energy? What is our relationship with this material energy? What is the spiritual world? And so gradually you get to understand who God is, and also your love for God, the Supreme Person, becomes reawakened. So you already have this love within your heart, but when you chant the mantras, you become purified. Your heart and your mind become purified, and this dormant love becomes reawakened, and it grows when you feed the mantra which is in your heart. You feed it with the mantras, so you chant, and that devotional creeper that's planted within your heart will grow and pierce through the coverings of the material universe and land on the lotus feet of Krishna. So if you're not familiar with this process, you can just sing along with Bhakti, dasi, because she will do the repeating. Haribol, Ken.
Haribol.
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga. Haribol daw.
Goranga, Goranga,
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 Goranga,
Haribol, Sylvia.
Goranga, Haribol,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Goranga,
Goranga, Gauranga, Gauranga. Arboli Landa.
Gauranga, Gauranga. Haribol.
Gauranga,
Haribol, everybody. Thanks for joining.
Gauranga.
Gauranga, Gauranga.
Arbol Randa.
Haribol.
Gauranga, Gauranga.
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 Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Haribol.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Thank
Rama
you.
Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Our turn. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Haribo.
Nityananda, Nityananda 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 Haribo.
Chaitanya, Chaitanya.
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 Nityananda, Nityananda Haribo.
Nityananda, Nityananda Haribo.
Nityananda, Nityananda Haribo.
Nityananda, Nityananda Haribo.
Nityananda, Nityananda.
Nityananda, Nityananda.
Nityananda, Nityananda.
Nityananda, Nityananda.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Haribo.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Oh, what a beautiful
Krishna
name.
Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Gopala, Gopala,
Gopala, Gopala.
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda.
Gopala, Gopala,
Gopala, Gopala.
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda.
Gopala, Gopala,
Gopala, Gopala.
Govinda, Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda.
Gopala, Gopala,
Gopala, Gopala. Haribo, Haribo, Haribo.
We're gonna change the tune.
Thanks for joining, everyone. We're always so happy to see you. Come on.
Krishna, Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, excuse me, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Taste the sweetness of the names.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. At boleh lah. Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you for joining.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna,
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 Krishna.
Krishna.
Haribol.
Haribo.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining.
Thank you, thank you.
We appreciate it very much. And thank you for your comments, Yolanda. Harinama Dasi.
Oh, Harinama Dasi,
Haribo.
Haribo. I didn't think you made it, but you did. Yay.
Rhonda, Dawn, Sylvia,
Haribo.
and Ken. Thank you all
All
very
of
much
you.
for your
Thank you.
comments
Haribo.
and reactions.
I feel like I'm getting to know you each just because you keep coming here on Saturday night. It's very nice. Haribo.
Krishna, Krishna.
Haribo.